Philippine Superbike champ TJ Alberto and former Supersport 300 World Championship racer Troy Alberto.
So, of course, we also have, I believe, nandito ba si Boss J? Well, if not, regards to Boss J Kua, our VP for Finance. So, we also have with us Ducati Philippines General Manager for Retail, Mr. Omi Santiago. Please stand up! Yeah! Woo!
Crowd favorite.
Yes, sir. Okay, eto pa, isa pa to. Ducati Philippines General Manager for Distribution, Miss Rizzy Bengzon. Alright, we also have Ducati Philippines After Sales Director, Paulo Ortales. Paulo, stand up. Where you at, man?
Paulo standing up already.
Here. Stand up.
There's Paulo.
Kumakain pala ng sausage. Hindi ko nakita. Sounds bad, pero ito.